Okay, children, which topic we will do today? Algebra part 1. We'll do lesson explanation. Now, what is algebra? Algebra helps in solving the mathematical equations and helps to derive the unknown quantities like bank interest, proportions, and percentages. So, it is used to derive unknown quantities like bank interest, proportion, and percentages. The variables in algebra can be used to represent unknown quantities which are coupled in such a way to rewrite the equations. So variables in algebra can be used to represent unknown quantities which are coupled in a way to rewrite the equations. Algebraic formulas in your daily life you are used to find the distance, volume of containers, and to figure out sales prices as when needed. So where it is used to find the distance, volume of containers, and to figure out the sales prices when needed. Algebra is very useful in stating a mathematical equation and relationship by making use of letters or other symbol representing entities. So we are helpful in stating a mathematical equation and relationship by making use of letters or symbols. We use letters or symbols in writing a algebraic equation. The unknown quantities in the equation can be solved through algebra. So unknown quantities in the equation, you write an algebraic equation. Unknown quantities in the equation can be solved through algebra. Some of the main topics come under algebra include basics of algebra, exponents, simplification of algebraic expressions, polynomials, quadratic equation, etc. All this I'll discuss in the future classes. Okay. Just as multiplying 2 by 12 is faster than counting to 24 or adding 12 times, algebra helps us to solve problems more quickly and easily than we could otherwise. So just area multiplying 2 by 12 is faster than counting to 24 or adding 12 times, algebra helps us to solve problems more quickly and easily than we could otherwise. How this all is done I will discuss. Okay. Now, what is a variable? What is a variable? Variable in algebra is a symbol, usually a letter, standing in for unknown numerical value in an equation. What is a variable? Variable in algebra is a symbol or usually a letter standing in for unknown numerical value in a equation. Suppose c is equal to 2 pi r. So c is variable and r is also a variable. So any value you can give for c and r. They vary. They change. So that is why they are called variables. Some more examples are given. 3x minus 4 equal to 11. Where x is a variable because the value of x can vary. It is not constant. 3x minus 4 equal to 11. X, you can give any value. So many values will come for x. That is why it is called a variable. Variable means value will change. Some important definitions are given. A variable is a letter used to represent a value that can change. So what is a variable? Variable is a letter used to represent a value that can change. 2x plus 9. I have marked x as red. So x in red is a variable because you can give any number of values for x. You can assign any number of values for x. It keeps on changing. It is not constant. Okay. Constant. What is a constant? Constant is a value that does not change. So I have written in 9. 9 I have written in red. No, that is a constant because its value of 9 will not change. It is always constant. A numerical expression contains only constants and operators. What is a numerical expression? Contains only constants and operators. Okay, constant. Constant is 2 and 9 are constant. Operations are plus, minus, multiplication, all are called operations. Okay, algebraic expression may contain variable, constants and operations. 2x plus 9. That's the algebraic expression contains variable, constants and operations. Some examples of constant. I told you, no? Constants are values that do not change. It is always constant, fixed. It will not change. What are the examples? 34. 34 is a constant. It will not change. 25. Same way 67, 5, 78, 33, 88, 244, 56, 78, 88, 77, 66, 2, 3, 4, 5, 57. All these are constants. The value will not change. Okay. These are example of constant. Now, variable, definition of variable. Variable is a symbol which represents quantity that can vary. What's a variable? Variable is a symbol which represents a quantity that can vary. For example, we can define h to be the height in feet for a specific child. Child is say some 150 centimeters in height. So height is a quantity that varies. After 1 year, she will become 155 centimeter. After 1 more year, 160. So height will be varying. That is called a variable. Height is a variable. As time passes, the child height will increase. That's what I told you now. So h is a variable. When we say h is equal to 4, we mean the child's height is 4 feet. So height is not constant. As a child grows up, height will change. It will vary. That is example of a variable. Okay. So one more example. Variable. A letter that represents an unknown number. Here 1 plus x equal to 3. Where x is a variable. X are written in pink. No, that is a variable. Example x, a, n, any alphabets you can assign as variable. Because the value of x here changes. It is not constant. You can give any number of values for x. That is why it is a variable. Okay, children. So we'll continue the next part in the next session.